everyone. We're practicing one more new strategy for addition today. For this strategy, we're going to use a number line. And this is literally a line with numbers on it. That's what a number line is. So you'll need this paper, and if you printed out 2 of them, that's great because that'll give you a few extra to practice with. 2 of your die that have numbers on them. And your whiteboard and marker, you can grab that because that'll, well, actually, you don't need your whiteboard and marker today. Let's skip that step. So just your paper that looks like this. Okay? So the first step is to roll your die. Okay, so this one I got 6 and 3. So I'm going to go ahead and start filling in my equation. So 6 plus 3. And you can put them in any order that you like. Okay, now to use a number line to help you, you're going to look at your first number. My first number is 6. So I'm just going to kind of put a little dot, okay, where the 6 is. Now this number here is going to tell us how many jumps we need to make. Okay, so how many jumps do I need to make? 3, right? So I'm going to use my pencil, and I'm actually going to draw right on my number line. 1, 2, 3 hops. What number did we land on right there? That's a 9. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. That's your sum. That's the answer. Let's try it again. You roll your die. 1 plus 5. So I'm going to write my numbers first. 1 plus 5. And remember what we do first? Yeah, so put a dot by what number? A dot by 1. Okay, now how many jumps do I need to make? 5 jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. And what number do I end on? 6. Okay, and roll again. 2 and 4. So what do I do first with the 2? Yep, I'm going to put a dot here. And then I'm going to make how many jumps? 4. Oops, I forgot to write my numbers. Oh my gosh. 2 plus 4. Okay, here we go. 2 and then 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4 hops. And I land on 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay, so I think you get the idea. There's one suggestion that I wanted to give you. If this feels easy doing 1 through 6, you could take 2 of your little cubes, you know, your little foamy math cubes, and you could get out a black marker or any kind of marker, and you can write numbers on these. You can go up to 10. So you could do like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or you could start with 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You could do 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, you can't do 11. So you have to start with 5 would be the highest you can start with. But you could start with 4 or 5 and have some bigger numbers on here, okay? If you want some bigger numbers to work with, you can go up to any, your highest number can be 10 on each of these die, okay? Unless you use one of your 6s, you could keep one of your 6s and then on, yeah, maybe this is the way to do it. Keep one of your 6s, 1 through 6s. And then if you want bigger numbers on here, you can start with 6 and go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And you can get some bigger numbers here and then add those together. That would be the way to do it. Sorry for being a little confusing there for a minute. But if you want to do numbers up to 6 with both of your die, that's great. If you want a little bit more of a challenge, go ahead, take one of these cubes, one of these spongy cubes, and give yourself some bigger numbers. Okay? And then you'll just roll both of your die, and you can add them together and have a little bit more of a challenge. But remember the steps to this. Roll your die, fill in your numbers. Whatever the first number is, make a dot on your number line. and then take some hops. However many whatever number you have here, you're going to hop forward. Equals, and then get your number down here that it equals. Okay, everyone. Sorry for the confusion with the die part, but I think you probably have a good idea of how to use the number line. I know that you all catch on pretty quickly to new ideas. So go ahead and give that a try today.